Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can block numbers on your Motorola Moto G23. Maybe you get a lot of spam calls or like a lot of hidden numbers are calling you. And to block these, you can go to your little phone icon, go to the three little dots, go to settings, and then click on block numbers. You can now enable the unknown button here, block calls from unidentified callers. You won't receive calls or text from blocked numbers, but you can also say to add a number if you have like a specific person that you want to block. You can add the phone number here and then click on block. And then if you blocked all the numbers that you wanted to, you can just go back and then no spam callers or whoever else you blocked can reach out to you anymore. So that's how you block numbers on your Motorola Moto G23. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.